How to add a debit card to Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I will show you how you can add debit card to Cash App. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add a debit card and link it to Cash App, first of all, just open the Cash App application. Then you want to come to this little home page over here. Once you come to the home page over here, you'll find the option called linked accounts. Now, if you've not already added a linked account such as your bank account or anything, you'll find the option called add account, and then it'll ask you to verify with a debit card in order to do so. But if you've already added your bank account and now you only want to link your debit card, well, in that case, just choose the option called linked accounts. After you tap on linked accounts, right under your account as well, you'll find the option that says link a debit card. So all you have to do is just tap on link debit card button, and as you do that, it'll ask you to add a bank using a debit card. So just go ahead and then enter your new card details that you might want to add, and after you enter your card details, enter the CVC, your zip code, as well as the expiration month and year. Once you've done that, choose the option called next from the bottom, and then you'll be able to see that we have successfully linked our debit card to Cash App. That's all it takes to add debit card to Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.